surfing the booming wave of global infrastructure innovation and expansion. Hefei Xinyida construction machinery flourishes on the strengths of China's smart manufacturing. Endowed with robust overall capabilities, it strides confidently onto the world stage as a fiercely competitive rising construction machinery brand. With over 10 years in construction machinery, Hefei Xinyida prioritizes quality in full-line machinery R&D, production and sales. We supply excavators, loaders, graders, bulldozers, and rollers for infrastructure, mining and roadworks. Over 10,000 units exported globally. Trusted worldwide for reliable quality and great value. Quality is our cornerstone. All Xinyida machines are factory-built under rigorous full-process QC. Veteran engineers with precision gear inspect chassis, power, operation, and safety thoroughly. Every delivered unit delivers stable, dependable performance. We operate a full cross-border delivery network worldwide. Standardized loading, securing and shipping safeguard land and sea transport to global work sites. Thousands of successful shipments guarantee reliable, hassle-free logistics. Customer-centric full support. Your team responds 24/7 with one-stop service for selection, customization, shipping, maintenance, and remote tech help. Global clients trust and acclaim by Xinyida's top brand strength.
Welcome to Hefei. Welcome to Xinyida warehouse.
We build quality machinery with integrity for lasting partnerships. Global buyers are welcome to visit and expand global infrastructure together.